I think it was a very moving experience, and for somebody like me who's always been surrounded by a lot of devotees, I'm not myself a devotee and a follower as yet, but there was something that moved inside me when I saw the film, because it makes me wonder, there has to be something really solid that years after he was born and years after his existence, people are still talking about it, not just in a small village, a group of 100 people. It's countless people now spread across the globe, and it's so overwhelming to see what that man could do, just based on his willpower, his faith, his belief, his constant inquisitiveness about seeking peace. And I've known of how many ever people who are the devotees, like really close friends of mine. They start their day or pick up the phone and say Jai Guru. And there have been times when I wondered why. You can say hello, yeah, but now I do understand that there's no blank reason why they just blindly follow the man himself, but there is a solid learning that has gone into them becoming devotees, and I hope to read more about it. It's been a very splendid, incredible day for me. In fact, my husband was reading a book on him some 4 days back, and then a friend of mine who's a devotee invited us to the screening, and he was telling me about, I'm starting to read this book मैंने 1 साल पहले खरीदी थी. And it's how like so many powers come together to get you to do something. The next morning he opened that envelope, which was the invite, and it had the same book. So it was very shocking, and maybe it's just a sign, it's a message that now maybe even I should start reading about it, and the next time I talk to you, maybe even I'm following the path.
So any plan to best part की बात करिए तो सबसे अच्छा part आपको कौन सा लगा?
It's not a story that एक में इसमें best part लगेगा. It was a whole experience, it was like a journey, I think, for not just me but everybody who's seen the movie.
So any plan to become a yogi?
I plan to become a yogi. I don't know. It's not like you get to hear about something and next morning you start doing yoga and meditating. My husband does a lot of meditation. I think it's these kind of messages, they just happen to you. And so maybe the wave takes me with it someday soon.
Thank you.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.